Guesty property management software. Today we are going to do a full review of Guesty and figure out if it's actually worth your time, money, and effort exploring all of its features. So without further ado, let's climb in. So here we go. We're looking at Guesty, and Guesty is pretty much like premium property management software. It actually streamlines property management for vacation and short-term rentals. The platform also offers powerful tools to centralize your operations, automate any tasks, and scale your business all at the same time. It has a unified inbox. This means you never miss a message, and it collects all guests' communication from multiple booking platforms all in one place. You can book efficiently with the quick response tools and their message templates. You can also respond to guests faster and maintain consistent communication across all of your platforms, which centralizes. And then it has smart filtering, so you can actually organize conversations with intelligent filters, which allows you to prioritize more urgent requests and also keep track of all of your guest interactions. The other thing is it has a multi-calendar, so you can actually have a real-time synchronization, and this allows you to view and manage all of your properties across every booking platform that you're working on. The multi-calendar updates instantly to obviously prevent double bookings. It's color-coded as well, which makes it easy for you to identify booking sources at a glance. This means you'll never have to check multiple websites ever again. You can do it all in one single spot. Having a look at one or two of their drawbacks is their complex setup. So if you're a new user, to set this all up, you may need some in-house assistance. Also, their costs. So their subscription and transaction fee model is a little bit expensive for smaller operators, smaller property managers. This is, of course, something to consider when choosing a property management software. There you go, Guesty full review. If you would like to know anything more, you can drop a comment down below. We'll catch you in another awesome video.